now, your first alert weather with WBRC Fox 6 meteorologist Wes Wyatt.
Well, here's what you need to know about our weather over the next few days. We're going to have some fog possible overnight to start off tomorrow. We dry out into the afternoon. We're looking at another cold rain possible on Wednesday and watching Friday for the potential for some showers. We've got some updates on that I'm going to tell you about here in a few moments. Of course, make sure you have our weather app as we update that forecast as well over the next few days. Watching that visibility map tonight, and as we look at things right now, dropping off a little bit here in Perry County, perhaps in Walker County. Forecast guidance suggests, especially in some of the river valleys out there tonight, that foggy weather will be a big issue into the morning, and then it burns off as we get into the day tomorrow. Again, starting off here quite cold. Looks like the area is close to freezing. Typically some of our cooler locations here around Reese City back towards center. You'll notice Tuscaloosa around 42 for us to start the day. Aliceville and Pickensville, Carrollton areas around 36 in the morning. Hamilton around 36. And as we get down into Chilton County as well, seeing some 30s here back towards Lake Martin and Alexander City. We'll start off there in the mid-30s. Now let's get you into the afternoon on Tuesday, and notice that we do have some clouds building in. That is the next system already that we're talking about. A good chance of showers maybe by this time. In fact, tomorrow night we may be tracking a few light showers around the area, but this just looks like a cold rain. You can see in the Wednesday, 11 o'clock in the morning, pretty good chance of wet weather, but it looks like the greater concentration will actually impact areas to the south. So the further south you go, the chances you have for some higher rain amounts. May catch a few breaks here in the areas to the north, but it stays with us through about 4 o'clock, and then Wednesday night the rain coverage thins out. We stay rather chilly with clouds heading into the day on Thursday, but Thursday will be a dry day. You'll see here again we have Wednesday, little break on Thursday, and then we get to Friday, and this is when another system will impact the state. And the models have agreed that we will see a disturbance here, but the models kind of disagree on just how much rain we will see. Some of the data keeps the heavier rain a bit further south. We are going to maintain that chance of wet weather. The data, it seems to be struggling a little bit with all these fast-moving storm systems, but I would certainly plan on the possibility of some wet weather Friday in the mix, possibly Friday night and into Saturday morning, but we will get this out of here just in time for Groundhog Day on Sunday, which means, yeah, it will be a bright day. That may impact that shadow. So as we go into the 7 days, Friday and Saturday, we'll keep that about a 50 to 40% chance of rain into the weekend. But notice the temperatures here. The good thing is we stay mostly out of that freezing range there for the end of the week, in the middle of the week. So right now, no issues with winter weather. We'll watch that closely, but don't see any problems there. In fact, no stormy weather. You know, that's one good thing about when we have cool weather like this. At least you don't have to deal with severe weather, and we could certainly use a break in that. I don't know if you guys saw this, but if you look back to the west direction this evening, you saw the crescent moon, and it looks like a bright star, but that was a planet Venus putting on a show tonight. But you can see that out there. Really cool.
Beautiful. Did you get any pictures on the app?
I did, and I will have some of those for you coming up.
Ooh, something to look forward to. All right. Thanks, Wes.